Welcome, pioneers of the future, to the dawn of a retail revolution where sustainability isn't merely a trend, it's a way of life. This is the thrift revolution, an era where thrift shopping extends beyond saving money, contributing to a greener planet. As we embark on this journey, we'll explore thrift shopping's allure, a movement that champions environmental stewardship by breathing new life into pre-loved items and fosters economic growth through the thriving market of secondhand goods. Picture a world where every purchase champions planetary sustainability and keeps your budget intact. In the wake of global consciousness, the thrift business is ripe with opportunities for entrepreneurs eager to make a difference. Embrace this chance to join a community dedicated to combating waste and excessive consumption. As we delve deeper, stay tuned for insights on carving out a unique niche in this vibrant market, redefining shopping one thrift find at a time. Navigating the bustling world of thrift, where unique treasures and sustainable bargains meet, the question arises, how does one stand out? Entering identifying your niche, we lay the foundations for a successful thrift venture. Distinction is key, achieved by identifying a niche blending passion with untapped market potential. From retro fashion to restored furniture, thriving niches exemplify the vast opportunities awaiting in the thrift landscape. The quest for your niche intertwines market trend analysis and consumer interest evaluation, ensuring your venture offers something unique. This foundational step doesn't merely set the stage for the journey ahead, but propels you into market analysis, inventory sourcing, and crafting a remarkable success story in the conscientious world of thrift. Progressing into the heart of thrift retailing, our journey now mirrors treasure hunting, focusing on stocking your shelves with items that epitomize sustainability, style, and niche appeal. The quest spans garage sales to online marketplaces, uncovering items that will define your brand. Beyond acquisition, this phase is about cultivating relationships with suppliers, a mutual exchange ensuring a steady flow of niche-specific goods. Balancing quality assurance and pricing strategies becomes crucial, ensuring your thrift venture remains competitive and lucrative. This stage exemplifies the intersection of niche understanding, market analysis, and sustainability, setting the stage for transforming these finds into a prosperous business. With an inventory brimming with potential, unveiling your treasure trove to the world is next. In today's digital age, creating a compelling online presence is non-negotiable. Picture your thrift store as a story unfolding across social media platforms, with each post weaving into your business's narrative. Beyond marketing, this is an invitation into an engaging saga centered on thrift and sustainability. Engagement extends beyond digital realms, incorporating local events and collaborations, nurturing a community around your brand. This stage isn't just about selling products. It's about enriching your narrative with each interaction, cultivating a community that values sustainability. As we reach the journey's conclusion, let's reflect on the path of those who've successfully navigated the thrift business, turning passion and sustainability into a thriving venture. Their stories, rich with insights on overcoming challenges and embracing market dynamics, serve as blueprints for growth adhering to environmental respect. This winding path is brimming with lessons on adaptability and continual learning. As we look forward, consider the strategies to grow your venture. This marks not the end, but the beginning of your adventure. The thrift industry's dynamic nature promises limitless possibilities. Stay curious and committed to sustainability as we forge a future where commerce thrives on conscientious consumption.